Labaday again! Buti na lang I have my laundry BFF EVEREST fully automatic inverter washing machine. 10 kg ito mga mommies, kita nyo naman napakalawak ng loob, ang daming damit ang kasya dito. At ito pa, functionality wise, very recommended sa mga mommies na nagtitipid pero looking for a budget-friendly yet quality washing machine. Tip ko sa inyo, use liquid detergents automatic washing machine. And this, my favorite feature naman, the smart control washing, ideal for users who prefer convenience and quick operation. At ang ganda nitong strong glass lid with damper mechanism that closes the lid gently and smoothly. Dahil nga inverter ito with a high-powered pulsator designed to improve washing performance, no worries electric bill dahil talagang tipid sa kuryente. Meron din tong 5% programs para no need to manually adjust the setting. With child lock and spin only functions din. I also like how it spin to dry the clothes, hindi buhol-buhol mga damit kaya no worries na maluganggang mga ito. Yan, another successful labaday with my EVEREST fully automatic inverter washing machine. Mag-switch na rin kayo mommies!